Mass Update is a very powerful tool to allow you to make updates to your Salesforce org at scale. So there's a lot of times where customers want to manipulate their Salesforce data structure, but there's not a lot of tools in the market to allow you to do that at scale in a customizable, easy manner. There's a lot of ways that we can help update your system. In this scenario, one thing we see a lot of our customers deal with is sales rep turnover, people getting promoted, demoted. A lot of people within sales orgs and marketing organizations, for that matter, change their roles, they change what they're working, and a lot of companies change their structure. Because of this, a lot of companies need to make large-scale updates. They need to replace an AM who left the company. Or if an AM gets promoted, all of their previous work, all of their previous accounts, contacts, leads, cases need to be reassigned to another rep. They can't just be sitting in limbo. Enter Mass Update. Now, if we take a look at the Mass Update screen in front of us, what I have set up is I'm transitioning all of a former account manager's accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities, and cases to their replacement. So in this scenario, I've set it up so I'm not just reassigning their accounts, but I'm reassigning all of their related objects. Every case, every lead, every opportunity, every parent record. And what I can also set up, I might not want to reassign the whole database to someone. So in this scenario, Brian Clark is getting promoted. Perhaps he's leaving the company, perhaps he's just joining a new team. So I've set this up to say, I want to look at all of his accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities, and cases. And what do I want to have happen to them? Well, I want to have Chris Smith, Brian Clark's replacement, be the new owner of all of Brian's previous records. So what I'm setting up in this update section is saying, I want to change the account owners from Brian Clark to Chris Smith. Any child accounts, same idea. Any cases that were in Brian's name, I now want those to be in Chris's name, not just to handle going forward cases and going forward opportunities, but also to give him the perspective and the insights into previous cases, leads, opportunities, and events, so he has a 360-degree view on all of his accounts and any relevant information tied to them. Mass Update is a tool that's massively powerful because of its ability, as the name suggests, to do large-scale adjustments to your CRM without needing to learn any Apex, without needing to get familiar with a customized, really sophisticated UI. Our interface makes it very clean and easy to make these very powerful adjustments and to manage them based on your specific business requirements.